Hi, I'm Pranjali Bahulkar and I scored AIR 7 in NID Bangalore. And through the entire process, BRDS has played a very important role. It gave me the direction which I needed, and starting from improving my sketching skills to enhancing my design sensitivity, helping me develop the portfolio, and even editing the portfolio to suit the best. It also taught me the basic interview etiquettes which were necessary, and material handling exercises, and all this while maintaining the originality of my creativity and my own twist to the style, which is a very important thing for when you apply for NID. So there, it's a very rare thing because there are people who can tell you how to do it and what to do, but BRDS helped me to be on a good path while maintaining my own true self. So I am very thankful for it.